Fantastic.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
James Bond. James.
Gorgeous. Gorgeous.
Hi everyone, you can download video clips from films with the lines you want. Isn't that brilliant? I'll show you how. Let's do it. Let's go. I would recommend you sign in to yarn.co. Don't worry, link will be in the description as always. Then what? Then just write whatever you like. Don't forget to scroll down because you have a lot of other pages.
Great.
Click on the video, download it, and that's it. Start using it and have some fun. So if you like the video, do like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free tools out there for you and your projects. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye for now. See you on my next video.